Question number 5. C. Draw a circle of radius. So number 1 is 4.8 centimeter. So we have to draw a circle. So first we have to draw a radius of 4.8 centimeter. So how we will draw radius? With help of scale. So from 0 to 4 first we will take. Then between 4 and 5 this big line is there, that is known as a 4.5. Then after 6, 7, 8. So till that we will draw a radius. Now we have to take this radius measure with help of rounder. Okay, and we have to keep this steel point on the point. So we will give the name AB. So this steel point on A, and we have to draw a circle. So this is a circle of radius having 4.8 centimeter. Now number 2, 3 centimeter. So with help of scale first we will draw the radius from 0 to 3 centimeter. Okay, like this way we have to draw radius, and we have to give that name PQ, any name we can give. So now we have to measure this radius with rounder, and this steel end point we will keep on point P, and we have to draw the circle. So it is a circle of having radius 3 centimeter. Now number 3, 5 centimeter. So with help of scale we will draw a radius of 5 centimeter. So from 0 to 5. Okay, this way we have to draw radius, and we have to give name MN, and now we have to measure this radius with rounder. This way we have to measure. Okay, that steel end point we will keep on point M, and we have to draw circle. So this is a circle of having radius 5 centimeter. Now number 4, 6.2 centimeter. So with help of scale first we will draw radius 6.2, means from 0 to 6. Okay, from 0 to 6. Then after how many lines you will take? 2 lines. How many lines? 2 lines, means 6.2. So we will give name XY, and now we have to measure this radius in rounder, and we have to draw a circle. So this is a circle of radius having 6.2 centimeter. Now number 5, 2.5 centimeter. So first we will draw with help of scale radius from 0 to 2.5. Okay, between 2 and 3 that big line is there, that is 5. So 2.5. So now with help of rounder we have to take the measure of the radius. Like this we have to take properly. Then we have to keep the steel end point on R, and then we have to draw a circle. So this is a circle of having radius 2.5 centimeter. Now question number 6, solve the following problems. Number 1, a company made 2,14,129 scooters and 1,32,147 trucks in 1 year. How many numbers of vehicles were made altogether in that year? So first we will start with the statement. So company made 2,14,129 129 scooters. And how many trucks he made? 1,32,147 trucks. What we have to do? We have to find how many numbers of vehicles were made all together in that year. So what we will do? We have to find total number of vehicles. Total numbers of vehicles. So what we will do? We will add. So first we will write 2,14,129 scooters. Then 1,32,147. Now we have to add. So 9 plus 7. How much? 9 plus 7? 16. So 6 we will write down and 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Then 1 plus 1, 2. Then 4 plus 2, 6. Then 1 plus 3, 4. And 2 plus 1, 3. So how many vehicles? Total number of vehicles they have manufactured? They have made. So we will write total 3,46,276 vehicles were made. Now number 2. Number 2. The sum of two numbers is 87,530. If one of them is 19,873, find the other number. Okay, here sum means what? Total. When we are adding two number, whatever answer we are getting, that is known as a sum. So here also the answer is known as 87,530. And from one number, one question is 19,873 and we have to find the other number. So what we will do in this problem sum? Yes, we will subtract. So first we will start with statement. Answer: sum of two numbers equal to 87,530. So one of the number equal to 19,873 and we have to find other number. Other number equal to how much? So what we will do? We will subtract. So 87,530 minus 19,873. So here 0 minus 3 is possible? No. So we have to borrow from 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 3, 7. Now 2 minus 7 is possible? No. We have to borrow from 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 7, 5. Now 4 minus 8 is possible? No. We have to borrow from 7. This 7 will become 6. This 4 will become 14. Now 14 minus 8, 6. Now 6 minus 9 is possible? No. We have to borrow from 8. This 8 will become 7 and this 6 will become 16. Now 16 minus 9, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. So the other number equal to 67,657. Now number 3. There are 158 pages in a notebook. How many pages will be there in 125 such notebooks? Okay, in one notebook, how many pages are there? 158. So we have to find, like, one notebook, how many books are there? 125 books. How many pages are there? So what we will do? Here we will multiply. So first we will start with the statement. So number of pages in one notebook equal to 158 pages. We have to find in 125 notebooks how many pages are there. So number of pages in 125 notebook equal to how much? So what we will do? 158 multiplied by 125. So first we will start with 5. 5 8s are 40. So 0 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4 29. So 9 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 7. Now we will multiply by 2. Before that we will write 1 0. So 2 8s are 16. So 6 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. So 1 we will write down. Other 1 will be carried over. So 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Now we will multiply by 1. So before that we will write here how many zeros? 2 zeros. So 1 8s are 8. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1. So now we have to add 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 0, 15. So 5 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. So 7 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. And this 1 will carried down. So our answer equal to 19,750 pages are there in 125 notebooks. Number 4. If 14,725 plants are arranged equally in 19 rows, find the number of plants in each row. So we have to find in each row how many plants are there. So first we will write in 19 rows how many plants are there? 14,725 plants are arranged. And we have to find in each row equal to how much. So what we will do? We will divide. So 14,725 divided by 19. So first here 2 in 2 digit 14 is there. So 14 is less than 19. So we can't able to divide. So we will take the 3 digit 147. So we will take 19 7s are 133. So now 7 minus 3 4. 4 minus 3 1. 1 minus 1 0. So now we will carry down these 2. It will become 142. So again we will take 19 7s are 133. Where we will subtract 2 minus 3 is possible? No. So from 4 we will borrow. So this 4 will become 3 and this 2 will become 12. Now 12 minus 3 9. 3 minus 3 0. Now this 5 is left there, that we will carry down. So 95. So 19 5s are 95. So 5 minus 5 0. 9 minus 9 0. So what our answer? 775 plants are arranged in each row. Okay children, this way you have to complete remaining sums from PDF. Okay, thank you.